Thank you for purchasing our mini disc golf basket. This video will show you how to assemble your ornament. Here's what's included in your kit. 1 top cap, 1 basket ring and chain holder, 1 basket bottom, 5 basket arms, 4 feet, 1 super mini disc, 1 hanger, 1 dowel, 5 aluminum chains, and 1 piece of natural twine. Let's get started with the basket arms. First, separate the 5 basket arms. Next, take the basket bottom and attach the arms. You'll want to line up the square slots on the arms with the square slots on the basket bottom. Now these parts should press fit together, but you can use some super glue, wood glue, or school glue for extra strength. When the arms are fully seated, they should be pointing outwards at an angle, as shown. Next, grab the basket ring and snap it out from the chain holder. Take the basket ring, line up the slots with the top of the arms, and press into place. Make sure the basket ring is fully seated in the notches. We've completed the basket and can now assemble the feet. You'll notice each foot is marked with 2 numbers. Starting with number 1, line up each slot with its corresponding number on the other foot. The numbers should be facing each other inside the corner. Moving on to the second corner, find the other foot marked with a 2. Line it up and push into place. Take the last piece, marked with a 3 and 4, and press into place. Push all the pieces together until the edges are flush. We can now assemble the chains. Find the chain holder, chains, and mini disc. Pinch the end of a chain with your fingers so that the split end of the link is pointing out as shown, and press into a slot on the chain holder. Take the other end and press into the adjacent slot, again, making sure the split end is inserted into the wood. Repeat for the other chains. This aluminum chain is quite soft, so make sure not to pull or twist too hard during this step. Once you have the chains partially inserted, you can use the mini disc to gently press the chain link into the wood. It's a lot easier on your fingers this way. Spread the chains out in a star pattern. One at a time, place them over the center hole. Take the dowel and press it firmly into the center hole. Now you can take the basket, place it upside down onto the dowel, and slide it approximately halfway down. If it is hard to slide the basket, try twisting the dowel as you push down. Place the feet upside down onto the dowel and press into place. Now you can finally flip the basket over. You're almost done. Adjust the basket and chains as desired. To complete the desktop ornament, glue the top cap on top of the chain holder. If you want to hang this on a tree instead, place the top cap on top of the chain holder and slide the hanger over both the chain holder and top cap. Tie the twine through the hanger hole, and you're done. If you'd like to learn more about us and our disc golf trackers, visit our website at MeepMeep.co and follow us on social media. Thank you again for supporting MeepMeep, and we hope you enjoy your mini basket.